Morning everyone, welcome to this session number 400. Today I will try to solve this problem, meeting rooms 2. One moment, I want to share this transmission in X. The problem is this. Okay, nice. Okay, we have this problem. It is meeting rooms 2. I remember, yeah, exactly this. What is the meeting rooms 1? I completed. Determine if a person could be attend all the meetings. Okay, in this case, this is the first problem. The next two is this. The companies are this. Okay, now is given an array of meetings, time, intervals where, intervals in the, well, start and end, return the minimum number of conference room required. Meeting time intervals. Okay, in this case, we have the first between 0 and 30. The next is between 5 and 10, and the other is between, okay, yeah. In the background. Okay. Okay, for this I think that we need to discover how many meeting rooms I need to cover at these meetings. Yeah, in this case the first is between 0, this is 0, 0, and do you imagine that 30 is 30? Yeah, and this is the first. Another is that between 5 and 10, in this case is not available this. I think that I can create another like this between 5 and 10, and another is between 15 and 20, for example. In this case, and the final we have 1, 2, no, 1 and 2. Yeah, I need two rooms meeting. Okay. I am thinking in which way I can I think that I need a list or something like that where keep these values. Yeah, let me check the constraints before. The length of the intervals at least is 1, and maximum is this, and the start are positive, starting in 0 and ending in this. Okay, got it. Now, again, I need a list or one structure that help me to save these values between 0 and 13. 0, 13 is the first. Now the next that is this. I need to check if I can put this in this list. In this case, it's not possible because it's inside them. I need to create another one. Yeah, and here the next that is this. I can put inside this. No, I can put inside this or in this list. Yeah, because this is after this. Okay, 15 and 20. But in this case are sorted, but it's not mandatory. In this case, for example, we have 7 and 10 and 2 and 4. I think that I can sort these elements. The first step is sort these elements by the first. And for example, the first is 0, 30. And always try to have the no, because I had the idea to always try to keep the the maximum element at the beginning, you know. For example, here is the maximum element, and next is this, the 5. 5 is greater that the maximum in this. No, okay, I can put another here, but don't make sense because in this case it's sorted. Okay, let me check. If I change the order of this, like 5, 10, 0 and 30 and 15 and 20, yeah, and the first that is this. Okay, I think that with a pretty queue with maximum, and this is 0, 1 and 2, and save in the pretty queue should be appear here 5 and 10. Okay, now go to the next, and this is the maximum, and I only have one queue. The other is 0 to 13. It's not possible put here. This start the 0, it's minor at 5, yeah, but 13 it's not minor at 10, yeah. In this case means that this is inside this range. I am thinking. what happens if I have a list where I have, for example, in this case is 5 and 10. Okay, it's done. Now the next that is 0 and this. In this case, the 0 is inside. The maximum in this moment is 10. 10 is minor that this. No, okay, I need to create another. What? Okay, I need to create another array 0 to 13, and the next that is 15. 15 is minor that 10. This is the maximum. In this case, 15 is greater than the maximum. Yeah, is greater. I think that I can put here. Let me check. Between 1 and 7. Another between 14 and 29. Okay. Now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and okay, the first that is empty and is only 5 and 10. 5 and 10. Okay, this is the first. Now the next that is this 0 is greater than 10. That this. No. Okay, means that I need search in another. If doesn't exist, I need to create another register here. 0, 30. Yeah. Now the next that is this 15 and 20. Yeah, in this case, for example, is 20 is greater than 10. Yeah. Okay, I can add here. Sorry, is 15 and 20. Okay, and it's complete. Now the next that is here, 1 and 7. 7, it's minor that 20. No. Let me put here 6 and 8. In this case is no. 7 is greater than 30. No. Okay, I think that I can create another between 1 and 7. Now the next that is this. Is 29 is greater than 20. Yeah, but in this case I have this problem. No, it's wrong here. Let me come back. No, it's wrong. Is the final with the start. In this case, the first time is only that, and I can continue. The next that is final 10 is minor than the start, that's 0. No, okay, I think that I can move in another. In this case is 0, 30. Okay, now the next that is this 15 is greater than 10. Yeah, in this case I can put here 15 and 20. Okay, now the next that is this 1 is greater than 20. No. 1 is greater than 30. No. Okay, I think that I should create another list. Okay, here is 1 and 7, and now I should move to this. In this case is 40 is greater than 20. No. Here is 40, that is the star is greater than 30. No. Okay, 40 is greater than 7. Yeah, in this case I can put here 40, 29. And the last is for example between 11 and 40. And now if I follow this idea, should be insert here 11 is greater than 20. In this case said no, this is wrong. Okay, here it's a problem because 11 is not greater than 20, but I can put perfectly this here. How can I detect this space without traversing all the time the list? Okay, I think what happened if I use the minimum value always for the operations. Follow the same idea, but changing the item. In this case, for example, is 5 and 10. Next is 0 and 30 is compared with the minimum. In this case is this 5. This is true, is false, means that I need another that is 0 to 30. Yeah, go to the next. The next is 15 and 20. This case is 15 is greater than the minimum. In this case the minimum is 10. Yeah, okay, I can put here sorry, it's 15 and 20. Okay, now the next that is this 1 and 7. 1 is greater than the minimum. In this case the minimum is this, and the finish, oh sorry, is this 10. 10 is minor than this. No, okay, here 0 is no, it's not 0, it's 30. It's minor than 1. No, I think that I need to create another. Yeah, okay, now the next that is this 40 and is start, that is 14, and the finish of the minimum, in this case is 10. 10 is minor than 14. Yeah, but in this case this can put here, but the problem is the second element. I think that I can compare with the next, with the star. In this case 10 is minor than 14. Yeah, and 29 is minor than 15. No, in this case can insert here. Okay, move to the next. In this case is 14 is greater than 13. No, it does not make sense. Continue with this validation. And now the next that is here. 14 is greater than 7. Yeah, and 14. No. And 29 is greater than the last. In this case the last is again this. Yeah, okay, I think that I can put here. In this case is 14, 29. Okay, now the next that is this between 11 and 14. In this case is 11 is greater than the minimum finish. In this case is 10. This is true. Okay, now is 14 is greater than the next. In this case is 15. No, this should be positive. This should be minor than this. In this case I can put this inside this, and in this way I know that I need 3. I don't know why, but I feel that I need to sort these elements. Okay. Let me check. Okay, now if I sort first these elements, I think that using both no, using the finish as a parameter. Sorry. Okay, now what is the meaning that in at the beginning? I think that is this. Oh no. Okay, is this now? What is the next? 10, 30. I think that is this, right? Now what is the next? Is this? And this. Next is this. And the last is this. Now sorted in this way. If I take the first is okay, here 1 7. Move to the next. The next is sorting in this way. We know that the end are increasing. Yeah. Now the next that is if the start is okay, I need to track the minimum here. If the start is if are increasing, the next end, I need to check if the start is greater than the end. In this case is 5 is greater than 7. No, okay, I need another list, 5 and 10. Now the next that is this. 11 it's greater than 7. Yeah, in this case is greater than for both 11 40 sorry 11 and 40. Okay, now the next that is this is 14 is greater than the end. In this case is this. No. Okay, now is 10. 14 is greater than 10. Yeah, okay, means that I can put here 14 19 29. The next that is this. 15 is greater than 14. 14, yeah, okay, I can put here 15 and 20. It's done. And now the last is this. 0 is greater than 20. No. Okay, the next that is this. 0 is greater than 21. No. Means that I need another that is here. Mm, 0, 30. And now another is this 0, 2. 0 is graded at 20. No, 0 is graded at 29. No, but this can put perfectly here. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, I don't know. Okay, I will check the first the discussion. Ah, okay. Well, in this case, it's start time. No, but this is the. It's basically the answer. Okay, I will check the hint. Think about how we will approach this problem in a very simplistic way. We allocate rooms to meetings that occur early in the day. If you figure it out that we have to sort the meetings by the start time, next thing to think about is how do we do the allocation. There are two scenarios possible here for any meeting. Either there is not a meeting room available, a new one has been allocated, or a meeting room has freed up in this meeting can be take the place there. Okay, in this case, the hint said that we should sort these elements by the end time, no, start time. Okay, this should be a bit here at the beginning, and this is similar. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think that 0, 0, 1, 5, 11, 40, and 15. Now, question is possible for here. Either there is no meeting room available, a new one has to be allocated, or a meeting room has freed up. Take place here. In this case, start are increasing order 0, 0, 1, 5, 11, 14, 14 and 15. Now example, the first time is okay. Now the next that is this. The start time, no. I need to compare the end time because I know that it's increasing. The end time is greater than this. In this case is 30. No. Okay, I can use this. Okay, the next that is this. 1 and 7. 1 is greater than 13. No. Okay, now here is 1 is greater than 2. No. Okay, means that I need to create another one here. Now the next that is this. 5 is greater than this. No. 5 is greater than 2. Yeah. Okay, in this moment appear here 5 and 10. Now the next that is this. 11 is greater than 30. No, 11 is greater than 10. Yeah, okay, I can put here. Here is 11 and 40. And even I think that I can sort these elements using the first value and the second too. In this case, for example, the first should be have this. This is the right order. Now the next that is this. 40 is greater than 40. No. 40 is greater than 30. No. 14, sorry, 40. 14 is greater than 7. Yeah, okay, means that I can put here. 29. Now the next that is 15 is greater than 14. Yeah, I can put here. Okay, in this case is 15 and 20. And imagine a number, for example, 8. Okay, here at 8 to 10. Okay, now is 8 is greater than 20. No, this, no, this, no. Here I need to create another one, but this is wrong. Because should be compared with the minimum. Is greater with this, yeah, but the other should be how many times? Okay, I think that it's time to check the answer. Okay, now let me check the other hints. Are important notes that the really can be true. Oh, this makes sense where it's complete. If I start here, it's between 0 and 30. Now the next that is between 0 and 2. Okay, now the next that is between 1 and 7 means that I can remove all the meanings that end in the 0. In this case, anyone? Okay, move to the next. Now the next that is 5 and 10. I can remove all the meetings that ending before the 4, before the 5. In this case, this and this. Okay, maybe this is the key. Okay, 10 minutes more. If I can resolve it, I will check the answer. Okay, okay, the first that is 0 and 0 and 30. Now the next that is 0 is greater than the minimum. In this case is 30. 30, no, okay, I need to create another one here with the value of 0 and 2. And now I can remove all the meetings that ending before the 0, that in this case doesn't exist. Now the next that is 1 and 7. 1 is greater than the minimum, in this case is 30, no, okay, and 1 is minimum, is greater than 2, no, okay, I can create another one. One and 7, yeah. Now the next that is this 5 is greater than 30, no. 5 is greater than 2, yeah. In this case I can remove this, yeah, because it was complete. I can remove, and now the minimum is 5 and 10, yeah. Now the next that is this 11, and because are sorted for the start time, yeah, and in this moment we know that is complete. I think this is my idea right now. Okay, 11 is greater than the minimum, and the minimum element in the end time, no. In this case, yeah, here is true. Okay, I can remove all the elements that finish before the 11. In this case, the 10 is complete. I can remove it, and I can only have 11 and 14. Yeah, even this should be disappear, but I will continue. Now the next that is this 14 is greater than 30, no, is greater than 14, no, is greater than this, yeah. Okay, means that I should remove this because it's completed or was completed, and is 40 and 29. Okay, now the next that is this 15 is greater than 30, no, is greater than this, yeah. Okay, means that this should disappear. And now it's 15 and 20, and now move to the next. The next is 8, sorry, 8 is greater than this, no, greater than this, no, greater than this, no, means that is another one here, but this is wrong because we have one space between the 10 Oh, I think that 8. No, in this case but this is wrong because this perfectly can put between the this and this, for example. Let me check. Okay. Is okay. 0, 30. Okay, the next is 0, 2, 1, 7, 5, and 10, 11, 14, 14, 29, 15, 20, and 8 and 10. Okay, I think that this should be return 3 and not 4. 3. No, but this is wrong. This is wrong because I sorted this element by the start. Why this appear in the final? No. I think that I need to emulate again this these elements because I noticed this. Why this appear in the final? Don't make sense because if I sort it, should we appear? I think that here. Okay, we move now. Okay. Oh no. Okay. Now. The first is that 0 and 30. The next is 0 is graded that this. No. Okay, the 0 appear here and with the 2. Okay. Okay. Now the next that is this. 1 is greater than 30. No. 1 is greater than 2. No. Okay. I think that I should be create another one. In this case is 1 and 7. Okay. And now move to the next. The next is 5 is greater than this. No. Is greater than this. Yeah. Okay. I think that this can remove. I can remove this and create this register. 5 and 10 and move to the next. The next is 8. 8 is greater than this. No. Is greater than this. No. Is greater than this. Yeah. Okay, in this case is greater means that I can remove because it was complete. And now here is 8 and 10. Oh no. Now the next that is here is 11 is greater than 30. No, is greater than this. Yeah, is greater than this and this. In this case I can remove this and only have 11 and 14. Okay, now no, The next is this. Okay. Uh-huh. 14 is greater than this? No. Is greater than this? No. Is greater than this? Yeah. I need to remove it and only put 14 and 29. Now the next step is 15 is greater. Come on. Is greater than this? No. Is greater than this? Yeah. Okay. I think that I can remove this and only have 15 and 20, and in this case we have the answer that is 3. My only though with this is that what happens if I have two similar for example another here with x, y, very similar like this. For example, in this case the last is 15, and for example imagine that this is 14. Yeah. And for example here I remove it, but this should be disappear because it's not minor that the last. Okay, I think that I have two options. The first that is every time replace or remove all the elements that don't have the minimum, or the final should be make this clear over all the elements and remove, for example, if this is greater than this, disappear. This is greater than this, no. This is greater than this, no. And this, no. Okay, in this way we can keep the right answer. Well, I think that I am in the right direction. I have the idea to check the answer, but I think that maybe I need a few minutes more to discover the solution. But well, I think that I will check in the next transmission. But thanks for following this streaming, and I hope see you in the next. Bye bye.